Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon denies authorizing budget insertions for flood control projects under the Basis of Conversion and Development Authority or BCDA. Allegations of budget insertions came from Batangas Congressman Leandro Leviste. Dizon described Leviste's allegation as baseless and malicious. He noted that the BCDA, which he formerly headed, has confirmed it does not fund flood control projects through budget insertions. The timing of Leviste's allegations also drew scrutiny, according to Dizon. He cited reports from some DPWH staff accusing Leviste of forcefully and illegally obtaining files from the late former Public Works Undersecretary Catalina Cabral.